Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you that easy and so fast crocheting headband. We use only front post and back post, and we take this looking with sewing. It's so easy. You can make it nearly 1 hour, and you need one ball yarn, nearly 100 grams. It's so simple. You can use that stitch your every project. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. Also, don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and thanks for your support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our simple twisted headband. Let's start to crochet. I will be using my headband lime brand yarns. Wool is thick and quick, and its size is 6, super bulky, 6 oz, nearly 170 grams, 106 yards and 97 meters. They recommend us using 9mm hook, but I don't have now, so I use in that headband, and I want to make it more thicker, so I will use 7mm. But if you have more bigger hook, you can use that. You can wash it in 40 degrees, machine washable and dryable, 80% of acrylic, 20% of wool. It's so, I like that yarns construction. I love that. If you can find that, you can use with your bunny scarves and that headbands. I think it's very suitable for that designs. We start our headband with a slip knot. Then I made 16 chains. I count as first 2, 3, 4 and 16. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, and I make my stitch loosey. Okay, but if you use more bigger hook than mine, you can make your stitch usual normally. Then insert into the next and make a double crochet. I will make a double crochet in every each stitch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And I will measure that.
Sonuç gelmiş.
It's 15 centimeter. It gets more wider, comes to more wider to you. You can make less double crochets than mine, but I want to make it more warmer, so I want to make it wide. It's 15 centimeter. Now we start to put pattern. Pattern is so easy. Chain 3 and turn my work. Start to second round. Yarn over. This is first stitch, chain 3, count as that. Insert into the second one like that. Make a front post. Yarn over, insert into the next one with back post. Then make one front post. Then make one back post, one front post. First rows pattern is like that. One front post, one back post. Insert our hook, front to back, then front, grab the yarn, pull through to, pull through to. Insert our hook, back to front, then back, grab the yarn, pull through to, pull through to. Then again front post, then again back post, front post, and the last stitch is usual double crochet. Chain 3 and turn, and this is our second row. Count as the first double crochet, and I see here my stitch is back side, so I will make that back post on that back post a front post. I see my stitch front post, I make on that a back post. I see back, so I made on it front post. I see front, make a back post. So in that pattern, when you see previous row a front post, make a back post. When you see back post, make a front post. That's only repeating that. I see back, I make a front. I see front, I make a back. I see back, make a front. I see front, make a back post. Back, make a front, and the last stitch is usual double crochet. Chain 3 and turn, count as first stitch. You see back, so you will start with front. Then you see front, you will make back. You will keep crocheting until you have, I made one piece here. I want to measure that for you. That's 50 centimeters, and it's nearly 20 inches. Now I finish my last row and cut my yarn with a tail. Then I use a wool needle, insert it, then fold two sides like that, and I join them, insert them together like that. Okay, then take my needle, I have 4 pieces here. Again, I want to show you. I fold. This is reversible pattern, so it's not important which side you fold. Fold two sides together like that. Then insert them. 1, 2 is here, 3 is here, and the 4 is here. You will put like that. Then take your needle. Take my yarn out. Then sew 4 sides together tightly. And cut my yarn Then turn it to the front side, and this is ready. With sewing we have a twisted looking, and this is 3D effect. I love that very much. I hope you will try. It's so easy, you can make it in 1 hour nearly. You need nearly 100 grams of yarn. It's so simple and beautiful headband. I hope you will like it and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.